To my channel. Today let's all letter the lead code question. The description of the question is fairly simple, that we were given a string s and we can convert the string s into palindrome by adding the characters to the front of it. So note points. The string given to us can be converted to palindrome by adding the characters to the beginning of it. So that's how we convert s into a palindrome. We need to return the shortest palindrome that we could find by performing this transformation. So if we just consider, we need to find the shortest palindrome. So given our string s is equals to the a c c a. So here we could check that if we consider a c c a. I added one A by mistake more. I'm sorry for that. So A, C, E, C, A, this is already a palindrome. So instead of disturbing this, what I'll do is I'll just add the remaining characters to the front of it in the reverse order. So what's the reverse order of the string A? That's A itself. So that will be A, C, A. So this became a palindrome. So how many characters we added? One character. So output is the same. In the similar way, if we just consider the second example, A, B, C, D. Here also the longest palindrome, the longest prefix palindrome that could be found is A in itself. So B, C, D is already there. So the remaining characters are B, C, D. What's the reverse order of B, C, D? B, C, B. So that's B, C, B, A, B, C, D. So this is the palindrome itself. So how many characters we added? 3 characters. And what are those? B, C, B. So that yields us the result. So what we need to do is, given a string s, we need to find the longest prefix palindrome that's already present in the string s, and the remaining characters we need to add them to the string in the reverse order. So that's how it should work. So just let me just call it string original string, that's equals to s, and I'm just reversing my s dot begin s dot end so that it will be reversed. So what I'm trying to do over here is, so first given a string a b c d, I'll just reverse it. So d c b a. In this case, you could check the longest prefix could be matched by matching the prefix of the original string with the suffix of the reverse string. So that's how it should work. So I'll start matching the entire string. First, if entire string in itself is matched, then I do not need to add anything. I'll simply return it. If entire string itself is not matched, then I'll just return, in the sense that I'll start comparing from the entire string. Why I'll start comparing from the entire string? Because ideally, I should be able to find out the largest prefix. So we need to find the largest prefix. So finding of the largest prefix, what I'll be doing is I'll be comparing the entire string. I'll start comparing from the entire string, and then I'll try to deduce where the largest prefix could be found. Right. So I'll just call it size to be equals to s dot size. For int I equal to 0, I is less than size minus 1, I is less than or equal to size minus 1, I plus plus. So what I'll do is, if negation of mem compare, so I just have my original string and the reverse string as well, and as I already told you, I'll just start comparing the entire string first. So original string dot starter to reverse string to starter. So first, ideally what I'll be doing is, I'll just compare this with this, then I'll just compare these 3 characters with these 3 characters, then I'll just compare these 2 characters with these 2 characters, then I'll compare this first character with this first character, because the prefix of this should be matching with the suffix of this and should be having ideally the same length. So here the length is AB, so here the length is BA, so I should be comparing this AB with this BA. then only I'll be able to find out the answer, right? Because if you just consider this example, A, C, A, B, D, D. In this case, if I just reverse this, this would be D, D, B, A, C, A. So for finding out, I could just check this prefix of length 5 is same as the suffix of this of length 5. So int size would be size minus 1, and I'm just comparing the original string C starter point and current string C starter point plus A, and I already told you I'll be starting comparing from the maximum size, and every time I iterated I'll just reduce one size of it or I size of it from it and find the answer. So if negation of mem comes in the sense that both the strings are exactly equal, if both the strings are exactly equal, or if this prefix is exactly same as this prefix, what I'll do is I'll so as I already told, I'll just need to add the remaining characters to the original string in the reverse order. So what's the reverse order of this string? DDB, that's already present. So what's that S dot sub that's present in reverse string, and reverse string in our case is S dot substring. So S dot substring from 0 to I, that's sub str I guess. 0 to I plus I'll just return my original string in this case. If I am outside of the loop, so in that case there's nothing found, there's no fruitful answer, so I'll just return S to the original string because my original string completely should be returned in that case. So this is working fine as expected. I'll also specify my C++ compiler not to import any library from C. That will be helping me to take input or give output anything to the terminal. So cin.i should be null in the similar way. cout.i also should be null. I'll just try submit this out. Yes, everything is fine, working as expected. Feel free to add anything in the comment section if you think anything is unclear. Thanks a lot for watching the video.